Alright, cleaned the chain. Actually, it looks pretty good. Nice and shiny. It does shift perfectly fine. I did a run through of all the gears. Some other pieces that I do check are all these little bolts, except for this rear axle bolt because it's on there pretty tight and it's got a cap, so don't mess with that. These 3 bolts here that hold on the rear splash guard, some on this side too. There should be 4. Of course, your brake caliper mount bolts, check that out. Kickstand, those are all usually pretty tight, but the kickstand can get loose. Front axle bolt is, I think I got it torqued at 30 foot-pounds, not PSI, 30 foot-pounds. And I marked them and I don't see them moving, so that's pretty good. I did mark and make sure these are tight. Suspension, looks like mount bolts here. The stem bolts is of course your handlebar bolts. 2-in-1. I believe it's more of a wet lube. So it says cleans, lubricates, stops rust. Shake it well. That's all of it. I'm not gonna even bother with brushing it out because it's pretty clean. That should be good. Some drops here. Keep this rag to catch any spills, but let's just do this. It's already spilling everywhere. Just leave it in the middle. Off the excess. Rewind high speed. Low speed. Rewind. Grab this rag and wipe off any excess on the outside. That's it.